Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. The guys are carrying on building. You can see the buildings are coming on nicely. So while they are doing that, me and Kennedy went on to the reserve and we're putting in pipelines, boreholes, fences around the solar panels to protect the panels from your wild animals that we are going to introduce later on onto the reserve. Remember, this used to be a cattle farm. There was only one drinking area, a crypt that was also elevated out of the ground. So now we're putting in these baths that's filled up with water, and that also gives animals a chance to drink on their level, all your smaller things that will return back into the area. In this section of the video you'll see how it works. So there the pipe pumps from the borehole into the crib, overflow with another pipe we dug in. It's overflowing to the dam that we dug, and we're going to put up 3 or 4 of these dams around the reserve, which will definitely help and bring back a lot of the smaller animals you normally would find in this area. There you can see it's filling up nicely, and please remember to give us a like and a share, and yeah, thanks for following us, and after a long day, watch that sunset.